Hello friends, it's Christy Marcotte. I have a little something different to share with you today. This is a monthly DIY subscription from Idaho Custom Creations. They were so generous to send me this kit to try out, so let me show you everything that's included in the box. The kit I have is the June kit, and the last day to order to receive this kit is June 15th, so you really only have a few days. If you order on the 16th or later, you'll receive the July kit. I will have a link in the description box to their website and also information on subscribing. So I'll go ahead and open up the package and show you everything that's included. There's a paper plate, and this is where you'll put your paint. There's an information instruction sheet. It also has a picture of all of the projects you'll be creating. So as you can see, this is not a card kit. So very different from anything I've used before. It has all of these wood pieces, and you'll paint them and create your little projects. And I love the very detailed instructions that are included. So hold on to that instruction sheet if you need it. Now this month there is a little freebie, and that's this foam scatter bag of glittery stars. These are really pretty and very sparkly. There's a bag with the 3 colors of paints that you'll need for this project. So this is a 4th of July tier tray project, so you'll need red, white, and blue. This is where you'll use your paper plate. You can also use a paint palette if you have one. I'm going to tuck these back in the bag so I don't accidentally make a mess. And there's another bag with the rest of the tools that you'll need. I was trying to show them through the bag, but I think I'll open this up so you can see it a little better. There are 3 small plastic cups. You can put your paint in those cups. There's some red, white, and blue twine, and this is to string together your little banner pieces so you can display those. There are 3 sponge pieces, so you can use this for painting. And the idea is to use the sponges and carefully dab up and down on your wood pieces and not get any paint on the sides of the wood. There's also a foam brush included, and you can use that to do a dry brush technique on your projects. Now once you have everything painted, you'll need to assemble them, and there is super glue included in the kit, so that's handy. And the final item that's included in this bag is a toothpick. You could use this to push out some of the small pieces that are laser cut out, and I'll show you all of those here in a moment. So I'll set aside all of the tools. Now here's the package with all the laser cut wood pieces, and these are so fun. And I do want to mention that paper packaging, you can use that to let your pieces dry once they've been painted, so don't throw that away. So I've opened up the package and I'll show you everything that's included. There's a couple of fireworks with all the little stars. There's a stand for one of your pieces, so you can display that. There's a fireworks sign. There's several of the banners. That's a little bunting. So there's 5 different pieces. Well, there's actually 6. There's one that's a little bit larger, and that will go on this little fireworks stand. And there are several different wood pieces needed to assemble each of the projects. Now several of the pieces have some blue tape on the back. It's holding some of those cut pieces together. So here's one of the little stars. So you don't want to lose those. And you can use that blue tape to help paint those pieces later, or you can throw it away. So lots and lots of different pieces. I'm so excited to get started on this. There's the background for the fireworks. Here's a little pickup truck. So you have the background and then another layer, and then the flag will go on the very back. And you can remove some of the stripes on the flag, so you'll be able to paint them red and white. So here's a great sign. I love this. Home of the free because of the brave with USA. Then here's the piece with all of the letters. So those are all loose, and you'll paint them and then attach them to that frame. Here's the USA as well. There's this cute little fireworks stand, and I'll lay out these pieces together so you can see what each of the projects will look like before being painted at least. So you can add one of the little banners to the fireworks stand. Now I have the wrong one here. There's a larger piece to put on the fireworks stand. And there's also a star to put in the center of each of those banners. And then the final little project has Land That I Love, and you'll add those letters to the cutout United States. And then there's this frame to go around it. So isn't that fun? So it has the little hearts and there's some stars. And some of those stars will go on other projects. So definitely follow the sample on the instruction sheet. So here's all of the pieces. I tried to lay them together so you can get an idea of what the projects will look like before they're painted. I can't wait to start painting all of these items. I love the patriotic theme. And remember, if you are wanting this particular kit, you do need to sign up by June 15th. I also wanted to show this fun item that I purchased from Idaho Custom Creations. This is one of their faux books. This is not included in the kit. I didn't assemble it at all or paint it. This came all assembled and ready to go. I think it's adorable. I love this little star charm that's tied up with the ribbon. They have several different designs, so I would suggest checking those out. So fun, you could change them out for the holidays. Now here's another look at all of the items that are included in the Tier Tray June 2021 DIY kit. This is so fun. I love the patriotic theme. I can't wait to get started. Now remember, if you are interested in this kit, you do need to sign up by June 15th. I will be sharing a process video showing how to assemble everything, so that'll be a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.